Today we have Tolifo LED camera light PT-15B Pro, but first please subscribe. Alright, back to unboxing. As a bicolor soft LED high power pocket size. It's Pro version. Alright, what do we have here? It's an aluminum alloy frame. There's a digital display. Hotshoe with 1/4 inch thread to mount it on camera or mini tripod. It's a Pro 2 version. Let's open it. And it's the manual. No card. Light itself. It's a good high quality light. Nice finish. The battery here. Take this out. Okay. Then we have the mount. Okay. We have the battery charger and the USB cable. You can also use the 16-watt DC adapter to power this up. And it has a 1/4 inch screw mount on 1, 2, 3 sides. Not at the top, but on all of the 3 sides. This is a tripod mount. You can screw it here, just like this. Very easy. And no movement at all. Battery is all charged up. Let's put it in. Okay. It has 4 buttons in the back: power button, mode button, up and down. If you hold the mode button, we'll change it. Now it's the brightness. Press it again. Now it's the temperature. It goes from 3000 to 5600. It doesn't go all the way to 3000. It's set at 32, so I believe that it's 3200. This is the color of the light. Let's turn it up a little bit. Now it's all the way to 56. That's 5600. You can see the difference in the light. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you.